Okay, here we have a magnificent Black Forest heavily carved cuckoo clock. And this clock is large. It measures over 3 feet in height. And you can see the style of carving is very unusual. You have 2 large four-leaf pheasants on the top of the clock. And they are sitting up in the pines. See, the clock has a large dial, ferns, mushrooms, grasses at the base. And the style of carving is unique because the whole front of the case is a one-piece carving. So there's no pediment roof with a pediment top like with most cuckoo clocks. So it's a large one-piece carving and everything's in a single plane. You can see all the carvings are also done in walnut, so it's a hard wood. And it has a high polished finish. A nice cuckoo door with a carved leaf. Retains its original plumpwood bird. It's just a magnificent example of a heavily carved large wall cuckoo clock made in the Black Forest region of Germany in about 1890 to 1900. Nice cuckoo call. We specialize in the acquisition, sale, and restoration of rare and unusual Black Forest clocks. You can check out our website, which is blackforestclocks.org, for more information on acquiring or selling us high-quality Black Forest pieces.